In this video, we'll show you how to unlock your Lenovo laptop keyboard in a few seconds. So if your laptop keyboard is not typing all of a sudden, what you can do is hold down the FN key, the numlock key, and then press any other key on your keyboard. This should in most cases unlock the keyboard and solve your problem. However, if that doesn't work, what you can do is right click on the start icon and then go to device manager from the list. Now in the device manager window, you will need to expand keyboards. Now here you will need to right click on the HID keyboard device and then choose uninstall. Now select uninstall to confirm. If you see multiple entries, you need to repeat the same step for each of the entry, and after you have removed all the keyboard drivers, simply go ahead and restart your Lenovo laptop and the issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, you can try hard resetting your Lenovo laptop. For that, shut down your laptop completely and unplug everything including the charger. After that, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, plug everything back in and then turn on your Lenovo laptop. After that, the keyboard should work fine. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.